Hi everyone, Teacher Ennis here. Let's take a look back at our week. This week we learned a new word. Bird. It's a bird. We also reviewed the numbers 1, number 1, 2, number 2, and 3, number 3. For daily conversations, we practiced what's your name? My name is. How old are you? I am 2. How are you? I am happy. How's the weather? It is cold. And what's your school? My school is RBIS. Here are some fun activities we enjoyed this week. Reading books, scavenger hunt, animal actions, matching the word bird with the flashcard picture, bird craft, and coloring the bird. Our story for the month is pets. Please review this at home. Thank you for your support. Goodbye and see you next week.